Well, greetings once again, everyone. I'm glad to be bringing you another video on greetings once again, everyone. Glad to be bringing you another video for your personal growth and development. Now, the title of this video is Understanding the Significance of the Words that You Use. And this video is related to language, the use of words, and more importantly, the feelings generated by your words. Your words are the common denominator for the delivered attraction process used to manifest what you want to attract into your life. Now, the words that we think and use generate the vibration we send out. As an example, the word homework might cause some people to have a negative vibration, a negative feeling, and others to have a positive vibration. The word money can hold a positive vibration for some and a negative vibration for others. Now, you should learn which words are causing you to attract the things that you do not want. Your thoughts are also made up of words, aren't they? The words that you think then create feelings, either positive or negative. Don't think of a red Corvette. I know you just did. You saw that red Corvette in your mind. Your unconscious and conscious mind automatically filters out the words don't, not, and no. And when you use these words, you are actually internalizing in your mind the exact thing you were being told not to do or not to think. Another example is if I said, don't think of a blinding snowstorm or blizzard. And I guarantee you probably would start thinking of some type of blizzard or snowstorm almost immediately. Even though I told you, and the instruction was not to think about it, your unconscious and conscious mind edited that part out of the instruction. Now, I want to give you some common expressions that give more attention and energy to what you don't want. And you might even use some of these yourself. I know I used to use a lot of them myself. Don't get mad. Don't hesitate to call me. Don't let me forget. Hey, don't panic. I don't want my clients to cancel. Hey, don't slam the door. Hey, I'm not judging. Well, I don't want this to hurt. Don't look now. And the list goes on. The law of attraction responds the same way your mind does, as it hears what you don't want. When you hear yourself making a statement containing the words don't, not, and no, you're actually giving attention and energy to what you don't want. I want to give you an effective and easy tool that will help you reduce and eventually even eliminate the use of the words don't, not, and no from your vocabulary. Now, each time you hear yourself using don't, not, and no, in other words, you become aware of it, you set an intention every morning that you want to become aware of when you use the words don't, not, and no. So each time you hear yourself using those words, ask yourself, so what do I do want? Each time you talk about what you don't want, in that moment you are giving it your attention and energy. So when you ask what you don't want, the answer will have created a new sentence with new words if you ask what you do want. When your words change, your vibration changes. And the best news of all is that you can only send out one vibration at a time. As some examples are, when you say, don't hesitate to call, you become aware of that phrase that you just used, or maybe you're thinking of it, and then ask yourself, what do I do want? And change that to, hey, call me soon. Don't let me forget becomes, will you help me remember? Don't be late turns into, hey, I'll see you soon, and on time. Don't slam the door turns into, hey, can you gently just close the door? Don't let me forget turns into, hey, will you help me remember? I'm going to redo that whole paragraph there. So when you ask yourself what you do want, the answer will have created a brand new sentence with new words. When your words change, your vibration changes. And the best news of all is you can only send out one vibration at a time. And some examples are, when you say, don't hesitate to call, you become aware of that, what you just said, or maybe you're thinking of it. And then ask yourself what you do want and change that to, hey, just call me soon. Don't let me forget becomes, hey, will you help me remember? Don't be late turns into, see you on time. Don't slam the door turns into, please close it quietly. I don't want this to hurt turns into, I'll be fine. You get the idea. At any given moment, you can tell if the vibration you are sending out is either positive or negative by identifying the feeling you're experiencing. And these feelings are causing you to send out a vibration. And in the vibrational world, there are only two kinds of vibrations, positive and negative. Now, you can reset your vibration from negative to positive by simply choosing different words and different thoughts. And it's easy as asking yourself, so what do I want? When you talk about what you don't want and then talk about what you do want, those words change. And you can only send out one vibration at a time, like I just said. So when your words change, your vibration changes as well. Simply put, to reset your vibration, just change the words you're using and the thought you are thinking. The law of attraction doesn't remember what vibration you were sending out 5 minutes ago or 5 days ago or 5 years ago. It's only responding to the vibration you're currently sending out right now in this very moment and giving you more of the same. Now, if you'd like some help with this, don't hesitate to schedule a free consultation with me, and I can steer you in the right direction and get you going on a more positive, energetic flow of your words and thoughts that you use. Just send me an email at keith@energamemagic.com and we'll get that set up for you. So until the next video, always wishing you much abundance, prosperity, and success, and health, wealth, and happiness as well.